Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Patiko Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。你知道每天都要吃饭。
对，吃饭。
那吃饭里面呢，就会有很多菜啦、肉啦、水果啦哦。那国外呢，外国人喜欢吃面包，东方人喜欢吃
白米饭。
对 ，the rice is a very important part of your diet。虽然呢，很多人，包括我自己在内，有一阵子呢，为了要减肥啊，
不吃饭，
米这个东西真的都不碰啊，淀粉类啊 ，any carbs just cut it out of my diet。可是坦白讲，这样不是很健康，反而会饿得更快耶。对。In any case, I thought today we should teach you this important part of our daily diet. Rice. 米怎么说？ Me. You. Him. Her. Me. 是这样子哦。
Me 就是米。
Sounds like me, doesn't it? 就是米 That's rice, okay? There's a special kind of rice here in Taiwan that's used in 蚂蚱啦，还有这个米糕啦，都会用到的米叫做糯米 That's right, glutinous rice. 怎么说呢
？No me.
No me. Yes, you. OK.
所以想到糯米的时候就是
No me. 没有我。
那海陆腔的糯米呢？
不一样吗
？No me.
No me. OK. 比较可爱一点啦，但是比较没有那种 no me 的感觉。好 That was glutinous rice. Not me. No me. OK. Usually when we just talk about regular rice, 我们会说米饭了米饭怎么说呢？米饭 OK, that is just rice, regular rice. 米饭 And finally, 最近也不是最近其实是十几年来了，已经流行一阵子，尤其是从日本那边过来的就是所谓的米汉堡 The rice burger.
米汉堡
OK, that is a rice burger. 那顺便问你好了，我们造句啦 Alice, 你喜欢吃米汉堡吗？
好吃米汉堡吗？
好吃米汉堡吗？Okay, that means do you like to eat that rice burger? 你喜欢吗？
还蛮喜欢的。
我是非常喜欢的。好 let's review these terms, okay? Rice, 米。那如果是 glutinous rice, 就是糯米 no me. Okay? And then we have regular rice, 米饭。And finally, the rice burger, 米汉堡。Okay? There you have it. All about rice, baby. All about me right here on Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.